This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Connie Kim. Say hello. This beautiful Mediterranean-style 4-bed/3-bath/corner lot home located in the very highly desirable Vista Royale gated community. This stunningly well-maintained home features an open floor plan with a spacious family room that leads directly into the kitchen and breakfast nook. You will find luxurious upgrades all around, such as a custom-built plantation shutters, absolutely no carpet, Spanish ceramic tile, wood and laminate flooring, concrete tile roofing, exquisite kitchen granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a very convenient built-in wine cooler, hybrid 50-gallon water heater, and gorgeous landscaping. The master suite and second bedroom both feature a custom walk-in closet with expansive storage options. The private screened lanai patio provides the perfect place for entertaining and relaxing. And it's in a great location, only minutes from Universal Resort, Disney World, SeaWorld, the dining room, Phillips area, the Windermere area, Mall of Milllenia, rated schools, major highways, shopping, outlets, entertainment and more. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. For more information, review the details below.